My name's Tom Van Wingerden. I'm from Wingerden Greenhouses in Blaine, Washington. We are a wholesale and retail business. We sell to grocery chains and young plants to ball seed, and it's all family run. There's currently 5 family members actively running our business. My dad started buying from TTA in the 90s when TTA first brought machines over to North America, and I think he fell in love with the service and with the quality of the machines from day one. Everything they've done to improve on previous models has been just leaps and bounds ahead of their competition. So we purchased the MidiFlat transplanter this past year. It's really helped us to put out a lot more material into the greenhouse in a shorter amount of time. We chose this transplanter because we don't have a long spring season. So that's a very dense season for us. And to hit all of your transplanting in a short amount of time, you need to get a lot done with a few people. And the MidiFlat transplanter has enabled us to do that. The new Midi has really helped us to keep our plantings very steady. Every plant falls in the correct place in the flats consistently as you're planting. This has been a huge improvement since our last transplanter. We're in love with it. I'd say choose TTA because they understand the horticulture industry. They get to know your business and they really understand your needs. They do all they can to deliver, and if they promise something, they make it happen.